So here we are, 2020, walking in the same square that I did the vlog few days ago, or at least a few days ago, when this thing probably is going up. And I'm in the middle of Leipzig Plain. Today it's Monday evening, it's already 5 o'clock. It's beautiful. I wanted to go out doing a little bit golden hour type of thing in between people. It's still fairly busy considering it's after the holidays. It's always bustling here, it's always moving, it's always something going on. I love this time. It's cold and I had to get out. And we're gonna do more of this sort of ambient sound. We're gonna let the city speak with the noises and everything around us. So you get a little bit of sense of how it works for real. Look at that. City noises, city sounds. And I'm also very curious, actually, maybe honestly, I don't do shopping a lot, but now there is a ton of sales, so I might buy some stuff, I don't know, some shoes, we'll see. I got the whole week to think about that. Usually this is always the period I get sort of a, because I almost buy everything vintage, I love buying vintage clothes. But just shoes and that kind of stuff I buy new usually, so. Anyway, we're still here, so let's keep going. Let's go. Let's see. I always say that you don't know what the heck you're supposed to say. See sales everywhere. Look. Just kidding. I was just kidding. Come on. Huh? Do you think that I would just fall like that? I probably would. Every time I see that thing, I always think of Casey Neistat. I wouldn't know how to go on there. Such a crazy thing.
Ja, want dat is gewoon wel een dingetje qua geluid inderdaad. Dat is gewoon binnenplaats.
I don't drink anymore, so yeah, it's kind of weird to be in those places again, and no smoking, no drinking. It's kind of funny, but things change, you know. Things change, and I also enjoy very much being sober, very, very much. So dark, I don't see nothing. But yeah, this is the kind of place I used to hang out when I was 2019. Metal music, hard rock.
Yeah, me too.
So actually this place is here for that long. I mean, I used to come here already. I discovered it 20 years ago here. Yeah. And I
That's
think
why I say it feels like a place where you go when you're 18, because I was going to these places when I was 18.
Super alternative. I love the painting on the wall. I forgot who those people are. So dark.
Oh, I appreciate your honesty.
He's drinking Heineken.
Yeah.
So what do you want to drink? You have to drink beer here. You can't have a tea.
Probably have a ginger beer.